And what is your message? We're in front of the Brazil embassy. The Amazon's on fire. The heat of the planet is going to extinguish all of us. What is your message?
My message is this. Bolsonaro came to power because of a perfect storm of corruption, fraud, falsehoods, dishonesty that put Lula in prison. And now, thanks to Glenn Greenwald of Intercept, he has documentation about all of that. What he has done by deregulating the Amazon, which has caused the increase of 86% of fires, there's 75,000 fires now, he must now leave. He must be forced to leave, hopefully peacefully, but he has a sordid background. In fact, he was indicted for conspiring to blow up a government building, and then he was expelled from the Brazilian army. And this man, who is truly, he's a misogynist, he's a homophobic, racist, but his role model is Trump. And then Trump and he are close friends with Netanyahu and bin Salman. So this quartet needs to go. And if Trump goes, the rest go. But this is a good time to say goodbye to him and make him pay for it.
What are the consequences of not stopping these fires in the Amazon?
Horrific, because 20% of the oxygen in the world comes out of the Amazon. And my wife, who's in Brazil at the moment, during the day it looks like night at times in the city of São Paulo, thousands of miles away. And the pollution, and people are having all kinds of throat inflammations, but much more than that. It's like, I'm not ecologist, I guess, I don't know, I'm an environmental expert, but it would be for the whole globe. It's like a series of volcanoes or a meteorite hitting Mother Earth. So it's all because he cares nothing about the natives of the Amazon. So it's an inflammatory form of arsonism, ecocide, and ethnocide.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sacred. When we speak for those who cannot speak for themselves, we are protecting a sacred temple. The temple of the pink river dolphin, the spider monkey, the blue macaw, the tapir, the Brazilwood tree, the manatee, the mico-leão dourado, and the native Brazilian tribes that are threatened by Jair Bolsonaro. Uncontacted tribes are threatened by the illegal loggers. They can contract life-threatening diseases because they have no immunities. We must protect these people. When we protect these people, when we protect these species, they will all be able to roam freely in the land that is theirs. Poor loggers in Brazil will be able to do work putting up solar panels instead. If we change our world, they'll be able to install windmills and be able to feed their families instead of having to cut down this precious forest for their livelihood.
The front needs to hold. Let people catch up. We want to begin. Keep moving. Keep moving.
We can do the location. Or that works too.
Okay. Hey, how you doing?
Walk a little slower.
Okay, may I ask you why you decided to come out today?
Oh, well, I was on the TSA flight